Good morning, children. This is Swati, Faculty of Social Studies in DAV Louis Vika Bharati Vidya Mandir. The new lesson, second lesson, the natural realms of the earth. Learning objects of the lesson. By the end of this chapter, you will able to learn, explain the 4 different realms of the earth, describe about the jigsaw puzzle and the moving plates, explain about the slow movements and sudden movements on the lithosphere, describe about the external process of the lithosphere, interpret how air and water transforms the surface of the earth, explain the work of the water, waves, wind and glaciers on the lithosphere, describe the action of vegetation and human beings on the earth. These are the learning objects in this lesson. You know that word realms means the area which have some common features. In earlier classes, we have studied the basics of 4 natural realms of earth, that is lithosphere, biosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere in brief. Do you know, children, how is biosphere is formed? How the various landforms are formed? What are the internal and external features of the land? How was the surface of the earth? Let us learn. In this chapter, children, let us find out these answers. Questions. Let us look at the sum of the board features of 4 natural realms of the earth in brief and study about the lithosphere in detail. What is lithosphere? The lithosphere, the word derived from Greek word. It is litho, means stone or spharia or sphere. It is hard shell of the earth consisting of the crust and the topmost part of the upper mantle with an average thickness of 100 kilometers. Further, the crust is divided into oceanic crust and continental crust, which include mountains, plateaus, low plains, deep valleys and oceans. Observe the given picture. It contains the minerals, rocks and soils that humans use for building materials, making metals and for agriculture also. The prime function of the lithospheres are it supports all the life form on the earth. It is a rich source of minerals. These minerals help in making many useful products like coal, petroleum. Now let us learn about the hydrosphere. Hydrosphere is derived from Greek word hydr, water and sphere, containing all the solid, liquid and gaseous water of the planet. It ranges from 10 to 20 kilometers in thickness. It includes the oceans, seas, lakes, ponds, rivers and streams. The hydrosphere covers about 70% of the surface of the earth and in the aquatic life. There are some water resources found deep in the earth in the gaps between the rocks, means groundwater, or that is about the lithosphere and hydrosphere. Thank you, children.